Hello, explorers! Welcome back to Globe Odyssey, your go-to channel for all things travel. Today we're setting sail to the corners of the globe, exploring the 10 best English-speaking countries to live, retire, or visit in the year 2024. From the bustling cities to serene countrysides, get ready to discover some of the most stunning landscapes, fascinating cultures, and mouth-watering cuisines that our world has to offer. So buckle up as we take you on a journey around the world. First stop, the United States of America, a melting pot of cultures and opportunities. From the hustle and bustle of New York City, where dreams are made, to the laid-back charm of Southern California, the United States offers a vast array of experiences. This land boasts breathtaking natural wonders, from the grandeur of the Grand Canyon to the majestic beauty of Yellowstone National Park. The cultural diversity here is unparalleled. With a rich tapestry of traditions and cuisines from around the world, the opportunities are endless, whether you're looking to start a new career, pursue an education, or simply explore and have an adventure. Attractions like the Statue of Liberty, Hollywood, and Disney World are just the icing on the cake. Every city, every state has its own unique story to tell, and there's always something new to discover. If you crave a fast-paced lifestyle or just want to see some famous landmarks, the USA is a must-visit. Next, we head north to Canada, known for its stunning landscapes and friendly locals. This expansive country is a treasure trove of breathtaking natural beauty. From the towering Rocky Mountains, the serene turquoise lakes, to the awe-inspiring Northern Lights, Canada is a haven for those with a love for the great outdoors. But there's more to Canada than just its natural allure. It's also a country renowned for its safety and high quality of life. Canadians enjoy a high standard of living with excellent healthcare and education systems. Plus, the locals are some of the friendliest you'll ever meet, embodying a spirit of inclusivity and warmth. Whether you're exploring the cosmopolitan cities of Toronto and Vancouver, or immersing yourself in the French-inspired culture of Quebec, you're bound to fall in love with this diverse and welcoming country. Canada offers a perfect blend of urban sophistication and outdoor adventure. Our next destination takes us down under to Australia, where the sun shines brighter. This vast continent is renowned for its stunning beaches, where the golden sands meet the sapphire blue waters, and the surf is always up. It's a paradise for beach lovers and surfers alike. Australia's wildlife is one of a kind. From cuddly koalas to bounding kangaroos, the unique fauna is sure to enthrall you. And let's not forget the Great Barrier Reef, a dazzling underwater world teeming with vibrant marine life. The laid-back lifestyle here is infectious. Australians know how to strike a balance between work and leisure, making time for barbecues and a game of cricket in the park. The cities pulse with life, yet tranquility is never far away, with national parks and quiet coastal towns just a short drive away. From its sun-kissed beaches to its relaxed vibe, Australia is sure to leave you with unforgettable memories and experiences. Next, we venture to New Zealand, a paradise for nature lovers. This island nation, tucked away in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, is a haven of scenic landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. From the jagged peaks of the Southern Alps to the sparkling waters of the Bay of Islands, every corner of New Zealand is a visual feast waiting to be explored. Outdoor enthusiasts will find no shortage of activities to indulge in. Whether it's hiking the world-renowned Milford Track, exploring the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, or experiencing the thrill of bungee jumping in Queenstown, there's something for everyone. But what truly sets New Zealand apart is its reputation for safety. Consistently ranked among the world's safest countries, it offers peace of mind for visitors, making it an ideal destination for solo travelers and families alike. New Zealand's breathtaking scenery and warm hospitality make it a perfect destination. We now cross the globe to the United Kingdom, steeped in history and charm. This is a land where the past and present intertwine in a beautiful dance. From the ancient stones of Stonehenge to the modern allure of London, the UK is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Picture this, strolling through the corridors of centuries-old castles, each stone whispering tales of yesteryears, discovering the rich tapestry of the UK's cultural heritage, woven with threads of literature, music, and art. Savoring a traditional afternoon tea, a quintessential British experience that's as delightful as it sounds. But the UK isn't just about history. It's a vibrant blend of old and new. London's cityscape, for instance, is a stunning juxtaposition of iconic landmarks like the Big Ben and cutting-edge architecture. And let's not forget the buzzing nightlife, eclectic shopping districts, and world-class dining options. Whether you're a history buff or a city explorer, the UK has something for everyone. Our journey continues to Ireland, the land of 1,000 welcomes. Known for its warm-hearted locals, Ireland is a destination where every traveler is treated like family. It's a place where conversation flows as freely as the Guinness, and where every town, no matter how small, brims with stories waiting to be shared. But Ireland isn't just about its people. It's also a land of stunning beauty, where rolling green hills meet dramatic cliffs that drop into the wild Atlantic. Its landscapes, as diverse as they are picturesque, form a backdrop to adventures that will take your breath away. And let's not forget Ireland's cultural attractions. From ancient castles echoing with history, to vibrant cities like Dublin where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly, Ireland is a treasure trove of experiences. You can immerse yourself in traditional music sessions, delve into literary masterpieces, or explore the country's rich Gaelic heritage. Ireland is a gem of a country that promises an experience like no other. Next, we fly to Singapore, a bustling metropolis in the heart of Asia. Known as the Lion City, Singapore thrives with a multicultural society. Here you'll find a harmonious blend of cultures, where Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Western influences fuse together, creating a rich tapestry of diversity and unity. Immaculate streets and lush green spaces are a testament to Singapore's commitment to cleanliness and environmental preservation. It's a place where modern skyscrapers coexist with heritage buildings, and high-tech amenities are just around the corner. Foodies are in for a treat. Singaporean cuisine is a delectable mix of its diverse cultures, offering a gastronomic adventure at every corner. And let's not forget the world-class shopping and entertainment options that are sure to keep you entertained. From the stunning gardens by the bay to the iconic Marina Bay Sands, Singapore is a city that never sleeps, always ready to welcome you with open arms. Singapore is a vibrant city-state that offers a blend of East and West. We now head to South Africa, a country of diverse cultures and stunning wildlife. Nestled at the southernmost tip of the African continent, South Africa is a vibrant tapestry of ecosystems, from the lush Cape Winelands to the arid Kalahari Desert. It's a country where you can wake up to the roar of lions in the wild, spend the afternoon tasting world-class wines, and end the day with a beachside barbecue under a canopy of stars. South Africa's cultural heritage is just as diverse as its landscapes. With 11 official languages and a rich history that spans thousands of years, it's a place where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. From the buzzing streets of Johannesburg to the colorful houses of Bokop in Cape Town, every corner of South Africa tells a unique story. South Africa is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered, so pack your bags, your adventure awaits. Our journey ends in Malta, a small island nation with a big heart. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, Malta is a sun-drenched paradise where summer seems to last all year round. The balmy climate is perfect for those who love to bask in the warmth and embrace the outdoors. But there's more to Malta than just its weather. It's a place where history comes alive. From the ancient city of Medina, known as the Silent City, to the stunning St. John's Co-Cathedral in Valletta, every corner of Malta whispers tales of knights, wars, and civilizations long gone. And let's not forget the relaxed lifestyle. In Malta, life unfolds at a leisurely pace. Here, you can truly unwind, whether it's by strolling along the picturesque marinas, feasting on delicious Mediterranean cuisine, or simply watching the world go by from a sunny cafe terrace. Malta is a charming destination that offers a unique blend of sun, sea, and history. So there you have it, explorers, our top 10 English-speaking countries to visit in 2024. We've journeyed through the vibrant diversity of the United States with its endless opportunities for adventure and discovery. We've experienced the breathtaking natural beauty of Canada, where every season offers unique and unforgettable experiences. We've soaked up the sun in Australia, known for its stunning beaches and laid-back lifestyle, and then hopped over to New Zealand, a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. We've walked the historical streets of the United Kingdom, where every corner whispers tales of the past. Our trip took us to the emerald landscapes of Ireland, filled with folklore and charm. We've marveled at Singapore's blend of tradition and innovation, a city-state that's a true testament to human ingenuity. We've visited South Africa, a country rich in cultural heritage and wildlife. And finally, we've lounged on the beautiful beaches of Malta, a Mediterranean gem with a fascinating history. Each of these countries offers unique experiences, all tied together by the common thread of the English language. They're perfect destinations for those looking to explore, retire, or even start anew. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time explorer, these countries are sure to offer something just for you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Globe Odyssey for more exciting travel guides. Until next time, keep exploring.